everybody? David Mitchell here, and yes, we are tracking Hurricane Dorian in a Category 2, and yeah, dropping it still in home area, and we're right there. I'm keeping track of it. In a Category 2, but I don't know what wind speed. Ooh, yeah, wind speed is right now 110. That's ain't about to become a Category 3 again. It might on the urge of it. Might be a weak Category 3, strong Category 2. So, yeah. And I'll be keeping you guys updated on it. And it come forward storm because we're right there and all we're getting is wind and rain right now. Now, it has stopped raining outside. So, yeah. And for people who evacuate, I hope everybody who evacuate are somewhere safe. And for people who stayed here, I hope you guys are hunkering down for tonight. We might lose power later on tonight. We lost power for about a few minutes earlier. But I hope everybody being safe right now and all that. And I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow on the aftermath and stuff. And see flooding and all that. And I'll keep you guys updated on that. Now, everything. But yeah, hurricane is retrenching, but I can tell. But yeah, it is technically getting a little bit stronger, weaker, but yeah. And I am keeping track of it. And I hope everybody is being safe, and I really do mean it. And that's something I really do mean. But it is getting closer. Now, well, before I do, let me show you outside what it looks like. But when it's blowing, it has stopped raining for right now, but it is look like going to rain again. So yeah, but it is picking up outside with the wind. But that's something I'm keeping you guys updated on. But yeah, and I hope everybody stays safe and hunker down tonight. So yeah, oh sorry about my family out there, but I hope everybody hunker down tonight and are prepared. And I'll keep you guys updated on tomorrow. And we did have an emergency train came by a few minutes ago. Again, another one. CX Dungeon 2 them out today because CX line right here, or CXA line, is closed. So yeah, but they will send two emergency or maintenance trains to check on track. So if anybody out see a train on the line didn't know that the maintenance train ended up checking it out. But track won't probably be fully over for a couple of days. But I hope you guys are being safe. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll talk to you guys later. Signing out. Bye, guys.